Hello friends, welcome you all on this YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about the NAFSA 2023 Annual Conference and Expo, the 75th NAFSA Annual Conference and Expo, which is going to be held on May 30 to May 2 in Washington, DC in the year 2023. So these are the other details, important dates I have told you from May 30, 2023 to May 2, 2023. Uh, the NFSA, the world's largest association dedicated to international education and exchange, invites you to the 75th NFSA Annual Conference and Expo. This is the most exciting conference ever. Be a part of the most diverse and comprehensive global event attended by the thousands of professionals from across the field. Join us in Washington, D.C., a welcoming capital city rich in history and culture from May 30 to June to 2023. International educators from more than 100 nations will discover the latest innovations, strategies and best practices at NFSC 2023. Establish and build upon your institutional partnership as we unite to build a more inclusive future. Attend sessions featuring international education leaders and change maker across the globe. Connect with attendees and build a network association uh, essentials to your professional success. These are other main details. Now let's know goals for NFSA 2023. Meet challenges by sharing lessons learned, diverse perspective and innovative approaches. Explore trends in professional development and career advancement and ad- advocates for well-being for all. Benefit from global thought leadership and multi-generational perspectives. Underscore the global imperative for social justice and assess and the importance of inclusive internationalism for long-term impact on the campus and local global communities. These are the bold ideas and global perspectives. You can take a screenshot of these if you are interested and want to participate in this conference. NFSC 2023 will be a platform for global voices working together to inspire our collective future. The conference showcases bold ideas and global perspectives connected to the conference theme. The role of international education in addressing social, economic, and environment justice, like I say, local, national, and global advocacy for community engagement and impact, model practices for virtual, in-person, high flex, and hybrid program design and delivery. That is, achieve success in the year ahead. These are other details. Now let's see about the frequently asked questions for NFSA 2023. These are the important things. The NFSA annual conference brings together more than 9,500 professionals in the field of international education for six packed days of training, workshop, educational sessions, networking opportunities, and special events. If you have some questions about the NFSA 2023 annual conference and expo in Washington, D.C., check back regularly as this page will continue to be updated. But you can get more information of these videos and other related conferences by subscribing this YouTube channel. Now, what are the official dates of annual conference? I have told you already. Uh, when does registration for NFSA 2023 opens? The registration for NFSA 75th Annual Conference and Expo opens on 1st March 2023 at 12 p.m. When does conference registration begins on site? May 28, open on Sunday, May 28 at 8 a.m. What is the address, telephone number, and other web details? Oh, they are on shown on the screen. Now for registration, when the registration for NFSA 2023 open from 1st March, what is included in the price of registration? That is important. Let's learn. By registering for the conference, you receive access to over 150 sessions, 14 poster fairs, including access to virtual poster gallery, symposium on leadership, Latin America and Caribbean forum, and two plenary speakers. You will also get unlimited access to the International Education Expo hall and can enjoy the complimentary offering at the Tuesday morning kickoff cafe and the opening and closing celebration on the online planner. Events with an additional fee will be indicated with a dot. Next, can I register by email? Yes, you can register by email, completing the registration form and send it to your check to the address printed on the form. Do presenters needs to register? All presenters and trainers must register for the conference. Does NFSC offer group registration? Currently, NFSC is not offering group registration prices for the NFSA 2023 annual conference and expo. What method of payments are accepted? NFSA accept American Express, Discover card, Mastercards, and Visa credit cards as forms of payment. Complete credit cards information must be provided with online registration or on the registration form. These are the cancellation, refund, and change policy. Session, workshop, and programs. What are the conference session and workshop being held this year? NFS annual conference, workshop, and session will be offered exclusively through in-person programming. Please check out the workshop program and stay tuned for the full session program. These are other details which are shown here. You can see here. Now how to prepare for NFSA 2023. Define your goals like this type. If your objective is to develop your specialty in the field, learn about the latest innovations and professional development trends, plan your conference schedule, what to pack, business cards, credit cards. Cash will not be accepted at the conference, including at registration and at the NFSA bookstore. For non-US based attendees, please be sure that your credit card works in the United States if you are not belonging for this country. So these are other details, and I hope friends you have get details of this NFSA 2023 conference. If you have any doubt, then you can comment on this section on the video, and for other type of international conferences or NFSA other conferences, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.